Hey, Rudy.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Ciate. So from the title, you can see that today I'm doing a face look. And the only reason why I'm doing a face look is so that I can review this setting powder. And it's by Ciate. And I feel like I say it wrong every time, but it's called Ciate London. And for my black women, it's translucent, but guess what? It don't show like it's translucent, baby. Before we go any further into this video, make sure to like, comment,
and subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, you ugly.
If you subscribe, you know, you with the pretty crew. Now let's jump into this video. So since I am doing a review that has to do with the face and the foundation and all that good stuff, you're just gonna see me do my whole routine of my foundation. Before I put on my primer, I spray my face with my ColourPop Setting Mist spray, and it's hyaluronic acid, so it's really good for hydrating, whatnot. I already went over that through my makeup haul. Now we're gonna go with my Fenty Beauty. But yes, I did my eye look on a live today. If y'all are interested in me doing more live videos on Instagram, please let me know. We're gonna overdo it and spray my face again. Now for the NARS foundation, because this stuff is the truth and I'm gonna have to buy some more real soon. I feel like lately my makeup has been a little bit darker, and I think it's only because I'm in the house a lot now since all of this has been happening. So if my makeup does come off looking a little bit darker than usual, is probably why. Now we're gonna go with a sponge and just go all over my face and blend. So now it's time to go with my Pretty and Vulgar. Then we're gonna do a little bit of a dollop of my Juvia's because this ish get real. Now for my Fenty Beauty Espresso Concealer. And I'm using this one because I've noticed that with this concealer, it's not as pigmented, but it still gives me that nice contour. So that's why I'm using that one today. So on to why you're here in the first place, to see the review on this powder. Now before we get any further into putting this powder on and just rambling about anything, so this powder is $22 and it is long lasting, no flashback, which is amazing. So for my black women, darker skinned women, women of color, if you want to use this but you're scared, you should not fear anymore, because this is the stuff. And you still look radiant, hydrated, fresh, awake. That's what we want. We don't want to look dusty and dry. Like, that ain't it. It says it's crease free, but regardless, I feel like you're still gonna get creasing. As much as you try and stop the creasing, I believe it's still going to happen. That's just my opinion. Don't drag me for it, please. So it is vegan friendly. So for all my women that care about, you know, vegan friendly products, this is the stuff for you. Like I said in my review before, it's very lightweight too. Oh my God, like it feels amazing. Actually, maybe I should put it on now. Like, I wanted to just make sure I got all the information out of the way. But of course, this is what it looks like. Y'all might, oh, there it is. That's what it looks like. And it has a coconut scent to it that I'm not too much of a big fan of, but I still use it. And honestly, I don't really bake anymore because I don't want that matte look, but I honestly love it with this powder. Like, it's hard to explain. It just doesn't mattify it too much. Like, it just kind of soaks up everything, sets the makeup how you want it. And it's also a soft focus finish. So I feel like that's what I was trying to say, that it leaves a nice finish to it. It doesn't mattify it, but it also doesn't make it look greasy. It's kind of hard to explain. I've taken multiple pictures, especially at nighttime and with the flash on. No bad results. But now we're just going in with my Anastasia while this stuff sets under my eyes. Being honest, I did not leave this on for too long. I left it on for a good 2 minutes, and now I'm just brushing everything away. For my blush, I am going in with my Juvia's Serafina. It's a highlighter within itself, which is really nice. Then we're gonna go in with my Tarteist Pro Glow palette. Then we're gonna go in with the color Fire. And since I did lose my favorite lip gloss, I'm going in with these two, which is it's holding me over. I love this Becca though. Feels so minty and fresh. And hydrating. And this is the finished look. I hope y'all found this review really amazing. It kind of felt like it was brushed through, but it's okay because we got straight to the point, okay? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. Follow my Instagram. You can follow my Twitter if you want to.
Make sure you subscribe or you're ugly. Okay, take it how you want.
All right, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.